Are we talking like Roberts? Jamie.
Go on, to hold it in there. What's the line on the side?
Last weekend.
Sorry? On the side, yeah.
I'm scared of burning myself.
Burns were bad.
Yeah. What degree?
Well, they were third.
Third degree.
Skin back. Well, no, I'm not lighting. I've still got like burns around there.
You just filled out petrol. What's the point in this?
I had no eyebrows.
Yeah.
I was seeing orange for a week.
You're seeing orange?
Nothing.
It's gonna be bad. You just got to get out of the way of them and throw them at them.
Yeah.
There's a lot of thrust.
And then when you ran off, I was asking if you're okay, and you just didn't say anything.
I was shocked.
Nothing. It's gonna be bad.
Oh my god!
I thought that happened. I was gonna get that.
Let's see your face, mate. Steve, you okay, mate?
Steve, you alright, mate?
Some serious hot shit. Don't try it at home.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, I'll give it a test and I'll roll out and break my neck and see what I do.
Didn't know you had film. It's not far away.
Don't do that unless you're supervised by an adult.
We'll just get the adult there.
There's a bad guy coming through.